health reporting. As in India, COVID cases hit 1 million. Let's see how doctors are suffering. In suffocating full protective gear inside ICU with no air conditioning, Dr. Shaukat Nazirwani is risking his life battling brutal heart and treating COVID patients. Almost 100 doctors in India have died since the pandemic began, working punishingly long hours in temperature that can top up to 40 degrees Celsius. A plea in Supreme Court seeks to nationalize all healthcare facilities till the COVID-19 pandemic ends. A petition has been filed in the Supreme Court seeking direction to the centre, state and union territories to nationalize all healthcare facilities and related entities till the COVID-19 pandemic is contained in the country. The plea, which claimed that India does not have sufficient public healthcare infrastructure to combat the pandemic, has also sought to provide free of cost test and treatment for COVID patients. India heading towards comprehensive healthcare crisis, says Amartya Singh. India spends just a little over 1% of its GDP on healthcare, and this is leading the country into a comprehensive healthcare crisis. According to the Nobel laureate and noted economist Amartya Sen, who has called for greater allocation on healthcare in India and highlighted what he calls three general failures in the country healthcare segment. India ranks 145th in healthcare, behind China, Bangladesh, Bhutan as per this study. India ranks 145th among 195 countries in terms of quality and accessibility of healthcare. It is behind the neighbors like China, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka and Bhutan according to a Lancet study. However, the Global Burden of Disease study shows that India has seen improvement in the healthcare access and quality since 1990. Moving on to our next headline, Apple's healthcare program to target 1 million women by 2020. In 2017, Apple introduced this special health program for women with suppliers in India and China. The Apple is aiming to expand the benefits of an awareness program launched in India and China last year to encourage women workers to focus on personal health to over 1 million women by 2020, the technology giant said on Thursday. For more such updates, stay tuned with MIT News. Aditi Kumari with cameraman Ankit Pandey.